name's Allie, and if you're new, welcome.
The package is finally here and it's raining outside.
Got a new camera. Like, I'm so excited. I haven't had a camera in like years, since like high school, I think, like freshman year, because I had a camera when I was in elementary school and then in middle school. Well, I had a camcorder in middle school, and then I broke both of those, and then I ended up getting an iPhone. So I don't know, I just didn't get another camera because I could take pictures and videos on the iPhone. But then at some point I realized it really was not the same, and I missed the camera, but I didn't really have money to get one. And I kept saying I'm gonna get one, and I never did. But I did today, y'all. It came in the mail. I ordered this on Wednesday and it came today, which is Saturday. Like, and the shipping was free. When I ordered it, I was dead ass like sitting, made the order, and then the next day I was expecting for it to come. I really was. I'm very impatient. Like, I was on the phone with my friends like, bro, where is my camera? He goes, you just ordered it like yesterday. And I'm like, yeah, but like it said it shipped, so it should be here already. Like, so, you know? I got this from B&H Photo Video. Like, I did a lot of research before I got this camera because I wanted to make sure I got like the best camera at the best price. Like, I just wanted to make sure I got exactly what I want. So I did a lot of research. I watched YouTube videos. I went like on Google. I looked up cameras, like read about them, look at them, and all of that. And I ended up choosing the Canon Eos M50. So I bought this yesterday just for this. I went to Walmart to get this just for this because I don't have one. It's a box cutter. Oh, wait, how do you open this? Oh, I got it. Let's hope I don't cut myself. I don't know why I'm doing this. Like, I didn't used to work somewhere where I had to do this with the boxes, but I haven't done this in a while, so I'm like kind of scared to like cut myself because I have done that before. That's why I'm being so careful. Like, last time I used a box cutter, I ended up cutting myself. Ooh, my receipt. I like this. It's not like one of those big ass like squared receipts. They be sending it like mass stuff. Okay guys, so there were many different like deals on the internet for this camera. Like, you could either get it by itself or get it with like some type of creator kit or like something extra. And it was actually the same price whether you got the camera by itself or if you got it with something else. So I figured, why not get it with something else? Because like obviously that's the smartest move to make. So I got this with it. It's a camera bag. So cute. Because I was actually thinking about buying one once I got my camera, like before I did all my research. And then I realized like I can just get it for free with the camera. So I got a bag now. Let me open this actually. I was gonna open it. It's so cute and it has yellow on it. Oh my god. And if you know me, you know that yellow is my favorite color. This is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna just do that after. Wow. Nice. Cute. Okay. And it came with a optic care and cleaning kit. You guys can see. To like clean the camera, I guess. And it's also in a tiny little bag, which is cute because now I don't have to like think about like when I'm taking these somewhere, like where should I put them. It already comes in the bag. I like think about it. I'm not sure what this is, but I will soon find out. Cleaning fluid for the lenses and optic. Nice. A brush. And I will also find out what this is because I don't know. Oh, it looks like also a brush, but I don't know what else it says. But essentially, I'm guessing all of this is used to clean. It
The
also
camera.
came with these other things. What is this? Oh my god, I don't even remember. Oh, it says UV filter. UV filter? I will also find out what this does because I don't know. There's a lot of things I need to like research about cameras because I don't remember a lot of things. The last time I had an actual camera was like the 9th grade. And this is a disc. This is good. This is 64 gigabyte. I didn't have to buy one because I was also gonna buy one of these. It's like storage, you know. And finally, the camera, the camera, the camera, the camera, the camera. Dun-dun! How do you open it? Oh. Yes. A strap. A lot of things that I was also going to buy that are still coming. I didn't have to buy this separately also. Right. Ooh, this is the lens, I believe. Yes. Nice. This is it. Battery, I'm guessing. Charger, battery. Yeah, essentially what that does is charge the camera. And then here is the charger. The charger. Oh, I should just put this in here. Actually, no. And finally, the camera. Yes. Oh, it feels so nice. I like touching new stuff. You guys see this? Wait for it, wait for it. Oh, it turns. And then like, you know, I can take my little selfie and all of that. And like be able to see myself as I'm like taking the picture. That's like the best part. That's exactly like what I was looking for. Something that could do that. And I got it, so like, I'm so excited. Okay, I've put the lens on. Actually, put this on. I wanna set it up. Alright guys, so this is the camera. This is how it is with the lens on, and then like the screen here. You open. It's like this. So if you're recording like this, you can like look at it here like that. Or if you're like taking a vlog or like a picture or video of yourself, you can also do this and then flip it, and you're able to like see yourself like right through here. And then yep, and the camera and the SD card that I received. This way. is quite small. Okay. What is today's date? I really don't remember. Oh, today's the 23rd. 23rd. 23. And the year is 2020. Sadly. Charge the battery pack. What? It's not charged. What? Come on. Come on. The one job y'all had. One job. Now I have to charge it. Amazing. Amazing. Just great. Just great. I'll be back. I charge the camera and let me see, let me turn it on. It took like 2 hours. It says push and hold the lens switch in a certain direction. It has like a little arrow, and then rotate the lens to enable shooting. So I'm guessing it basically is just saying to push this, and you hold on, I did it earlier. So it's this, you push it, turn this to turn the lens like that, and then yep. Ooh, I can see myself now, looking good. And you can like press on the screen also, like it's touch screen, see, to like move and stuff. And let's see. Nice. This is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna record a bit on this, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, the recording from the camera itself compared to my phone, because I'm currently recording on my phone. I have an iPhone 10 XR, so we'll see the difference between those two. Okay guys, now we're recording on the camera, so I can show you the quality of the camera. So I think it looks really nice, like compared to my iPhone. I think it looks nice. I like, once I get lighting, because I ordered lights from Amazon for like the camera, I think it's gonna look so much better with some lighting, but it still looks really good without any lighting compared to like, actually I'm not, it still looks really good without any like natural light, because I'm using my ring light at the moment. So like the quality looks really nice, and I took some pictures and the pictures look really cute. I'm gonna show you guys that in a moment, but I think the quality of the video is really nice in this, so I'm gonna be really glad recording on this from now on. Gotta get some equipment, gotta get a mic, gotta get lights. Well, I already got the lights, they're coming in the mail. Gotta get another tripod and one to like hold the camera and stuff like that. Okay, Dory, thank you for reminding me. But yeah, I gotta get the accessories and all of that, watch some more videos to understand the camera better and learn how to use it, figure out what to do. And I have to like train myself to stop looking at myself over there and look straight at the camera when I am speaking. Okay, so I connected the camera to Wi-Fi and I got this Canon app. Like, it tells you like exactly what to do, how to get the app, what to do, how to install it, connect it to Wi-Fi. And now I'm just like downloading the pictures and the stuff that were on the camera onto my phone, which is really cool because of the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings that the camera has. Like, what? This is so lit. Like, I thought I would have to like connect the wire to the computer or something and then download it that way, because that's how I did it last time I had a camera. But you know, we're in 2020 now. Okay guys, so I just recorded on the camera, as you can see from like the previous clip of like how it turned out on the camera. I like the quality, it's really nice. Like, I mean, can't complain. After doing all that research, like, of course I'm gonna get something that I like. I didn't waste all the time for nothing. I always do research before I buy stuff. But like, I also, I really forgot that there was like a flash up here and I did not use it. But then I realized when I was taking my pictures, and then I took the pictures with the flash, which made them even better. And I took some of my sister. I am so happy with my purchase. I am so happy with my purchase. I am so happy with my purchase. So strange having a camera in my hands now. Like, oh my god. Like, I used to borrow people's cameras and use them when I want to take pictures and be like, oh my god, I can't wait to get myself one of these. But I've gotten myself one of these. And now I'm gonna be a photographer, you know? Like, what's up? Hit me up if you need your pictures taken, you know? I lied. I need to, like, practice first. Don't hit me up yet. Don't do that. Do not hit me up until I figure out how to properly use this. I forgot to show you guys, like, I put on the strap and like it's better now. I feel so much better when the straps are on with the cameras, because it's like if it accidentally slips out of your hands, it's like, you know, it's protected with this. So I'm glad that I have it, because I did not just spend all of this money on this camera just to drop it and break it. It protects. It just goes like here and here. You have to like adjust it and everything and put it on. And then I also forgot to show you guys like the bag and everything, how it looks like on the inside. So this is the inside of the bag, and here's where you would put like SD cards. I put like this little box that my SD card came in here. But yeah, like if you had an extra SD card, if you have SD cards, you just put them in here. And then, yep. And then there's this little pocket right here, which I use to like put the charger. And there's space here also, like the lens cap. And then you just take your camera. You guys can see, it's kind of like, you know, little bag. When you're ready to shoot, you know, you just unzip, take out your camera, take some pictures. Cute. Thank you guys for watching my video today. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any questions about the camera. If you guys want to know if you want to like see me do like a review on it after using it for like a week or so. Like, let me know what you guys want to see me do, like any videos. Hey, 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 hey.